Car key fobs use radio frequency signals to remotely control your car. Programming syncs the fob's unique code with your car's computer, either the ECU or BCM. While not truly universal, DIY programming can save money, but always consult your owner's manual first. Newer cars from 2020 onward often require OBD2 tools due to advanced encryption, like rolling codes and AES 128 that prevent theft. Many newer cars are moving to smartphone-based digital keys via apps like Apple Car Key or Google Wallet, potentially reducing the need for physical fobs. Keep in mind that incorrectly programming fobs can lead to ECU errors. Check with a professional if you are unsure about any step. For older vehicle models, you can try this generalized DIY method, though it's not foolproof and may vary by make and model. First, enter the vehicle using the mechanical key, not the fob, and close all doors. Next, insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the ignition from off to on a specific number of times, such as 5 times for some Ford models. While cycling the ignition, press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Finally, exit the vehicle and test the fob to ensure it works. For newer vehicles, especially those from 2020 onward, an OBD2 scanner is often necessary to reprogram the fob securely. Key considerations include battery life, with lithium-ion batteries lasting 5 to 7 years, and security features like rolling codes that change with each use to prevent cloning. Common mistakes include overprogramming the fob or using incorrect codes, and rushing through steps can trigger the vehicle's anti-tampering locks. If you have any doubts about the process, it's best to consult a professional mechanic to avoid potential damage.